Hello, my dear students. Now, in today's lecture, we will study the reaction of amine with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Now, in previous lecture, we had completed acetylation of amine, then reaction of amine with nitrous acid. Right? Now, these three properties of amine very much important as compared to board point of view as well as in NEET point of view. One is the reaction of amine with acetyl chloride, which is called acetylation of amine. Then reaction of amine with nitrous acid, which was completed in last period. And this reaction of amine with benzene sulfonyl chloride, right, which will be studied in this period. So these three chemical properties of amine are very much important. So let's continue our today's topic, reaction of amine with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl, SULFONYL, sulfonyl chloride. सल्फोनिल इसको बेटा आप SULPHO भी लिख सकते, FO लिखो या बेटा PHO. Now this reaction of amine with benzene sulfonyl chloride, it is called Heinsberg test. Heinsberg, HINSBERG, Heinsberg test. Now benzene sulfonyl chloride, C6H5, S double bond O, single bond Cl. Or it will be written as C6H5 SO2Cl. C6H5 SO2Cl. Now it is a benzene sulfonyl chloride, and this benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Heinsberg reagent. So what is a Heinsberg reagent? Benzene sulfonyl chloride is called Heinsberg reagent, and its formula is C6H5 S double bond O Cl, or beta C6H5 SO2Cl. Now primary, secondary and tertiary amine react differently with Heinsberg reagent. Therefore this reaction is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Like that of acetylation and with nitrous acid, we know that all the amine react differently on acetylation and all the amine react differently with nitrous acid. Therefore, acetylation reaction and reaction with nitrous acid is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Similarly, here also, primary, secondary and tertiary amine react differently with the Heinsberg reagent, react differently with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. Therefore, this reaction is used to distinguish between them. Between them means between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. तो बेटा तीनों अमाइन बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड के साथ डिफरेंटली रिएक्ट करते, इसलिए बेटा इस रिएक्शन का यूज करके हम तीनों अमाइन को डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते. Why they react differently with Heinsberg reagent? Can you guess? Yes. because they contain the different number of hydrogen on nitrogen atom of amine. Primary amine contain 2 hydrogen on nitrogen atom. Secondary amine contain 1 hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom, while tertiary amine do not possess the hydrogen on nitrogen atom. Therefore, this reaction is used to distinguish between them. Now we will see reaction of amine with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Now when primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, then it form an alkyl benzene sulfonamide. An alkyl benzene sulfonamide, sulfonamide, sulfonamide. So primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form an alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Now see how reaction takes place. Primary amine RNH2, it is called primary amine. C6H5S double bond O Cl, it is benzene sulfonyl chloride, which is also called Heinsberg reagent. So when primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride or Heinsberg reagent, now this 1 hydrogen combine with Cl to form the HCl. एक हाइड्रोजन बेटे कंबाइन हुआ Cl के साथ, वो बना बेटा HCl. Now what will left here? RNH. From here benzene ring S double bond O. Now this NH attached with sulfur, so compound becomes benzene ring S double bond O, S double bond O, single bond NH and single bond R. And this compound is called N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. This much group is called sulfonamide. इतने कंपाउंड को बेटा क्या बोलते हैं? सल्फोनामाइड. Now alkyl group attached to nitrogen, therefore it is called N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. So when primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, then it form N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Now take the example of ethyl amine. Ethyl amine having the formula C2H5NH2, it is ethyl amine. IUPAC name ethanamine or aminoethane. So when ethyl amine react or heated with benzene sulfonyl chloride, now this 1 hydrogen combine with Cl to form HCl. ये बेटा एक हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन हो गया बेटा Cl के साथ, ये फॉर्म हुआ बेटा HCl. Now this C2H5NH attach with sulfur, so compound becomes benzene ring S double bond O, single bond NH C2H5, and this compound is called N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. This much benzene sulfonamide, it is the ethyl group attached to nitrogen, so N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. So ethyl amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. So in this way reaction of primary amine takes place with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Now we will see how secondary amine react. Now when secondary amine, what is secondary amine? Amine containing two alkyl group. So those amine containing two alkyl group, that amines are called as secondary amine. So when secondary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, जब बेटा सेकेंडरी अमाइन बेटा रिएक्ट करता है किसके साथ? बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड के साथ, देन इट फॉर्म N, डाई अल्काइल बेंजीन सल्फोनामाइड. जैसा बेटा वहां पे N अल्काइल था ना, तो यहां बेटा N, डाई अल्काइल, बिकॉज सेकेंडरी अमाइन कंटेन दी टू अल्काइल ग्रुप, देयरफॉर N, dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. C reaction R NHR, it is secondary amine due to presence of two alkyl group. Now C6H5S double bond O Cl, it is benzene sulfonyl chloride. So when secondary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, now these hydrogen combine with Cl to form HCl. Now these R, N, R combined with sulfur to form benzene ring, S double bond O, single bond N, R, R. Now this much group is called benzene sulfonyl amide, benzene sulfonamide. And these two alkyl groups attached to nitrogen. Therefore, it is called N, dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. N, dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. So it is N, dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. Now take the example of diethylamine C2H5 NHC2H5, it is diethylamine. IUPAC name diethanamine or N-ethyl ethanamine. So when diethylamine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, so these are hydrogen combine with Cl to form the HCl. ये बेटा हाइड्रोजन बेटे कंबाइन हुआ Cl के साथ, ये बन गया बेटा HCl. Now what will left here? C2H5 and C2H5. From here C6H5S double bond O, they combines to form benzene ring, S double bond O, single bond N, C2H5, and this compound is called N, diethyl benzene sulfonamide. So this much compound is called benzene sulfonamide. Now two ethyl groups are attached to nitrogen, therefore N, diethyl benzene sulfonamide. So when diethylamine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, then it form N, diethyl benzene sulfonamide. So in this way, reaction of secondary amine is takes place with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Now we will see what happen when tertiary amine combine with benzene diazonium chloride. So tertiary amine do not react with Heinsberg reagent, or tertiary amine do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Why? Due to absence of hydrogen atom or nitrogen atom of amine. So in tertiary amine, nitrogen do not possess any hydrogen. Therefore tertiary amine do not react with Heinsberg reagent or do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. For example, C2H5 taken thrice N. C2H5 taken thrice N, it is triethylamine. C6H5S double bond O Cl, it is benzene sulfonyl chloride. So when triethylamine react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, then no reaction will take place or no compound will form. तो बेटा रिएक्शन नहीं होगी और कंपाउंड फॉर्म नहीं होगा. वाई? बिकॉज दिस ट्राइइथाइल अमाइन nitrogen do not contain any hydrogen. So in this way, reaction of amine takes place with the Heinsberg reagent. So primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Secondary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. And tertiary amine do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. It means all the three amines react differently with benzene sulfonyl chloride or Heinsberg reagent. Therefore, this reaction is used to distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Okay, today we will stop here. In next period we will learn about the basicity of amine. आज यहाँ हम स्टॉप करेंगे, कल हम पढ़ेंगे अमाइन की बेसिसिटी.